Let's see how we can normalize the content of a spreadsheet and do a chart with it using Instadeq. First, we select a cell type of type spreadsheet, and then we load a spreadsheet. We want to load the price and payment type and skip the first row. So we are going to select the query for that. And we are going to drag payment type and price. We now want to skip the first row, so we select the item, the path item that has the range of rows, and change it so that it starts from the second one. We rename C4 to card and C3 to price. And now we have the data. We can do a quick aggregation, price by card, sum, and we can go and do a chart of price sum by card. For example, we can select a pie chart and sort them by price sum. So this was how to normalize some content from a spreadsheet using the query and then aggregation and a chart with Instadeq.